Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
By change of order of integration, evaluate integral 0 to a, integral x to a, x square plus y square dy dx. So far, we learn how to evaluate double integration or in polar form. Now, what he says, friends, change the order of integration. How to change the order of double integration? Today, we discuss concept and problems on change of order of integration. What, friends? Concept and problems on change of order of integration. Let us see concept. Change of order of integration. In double integral with variable limits, the change of order of integration changes the limits of integration. What he says, friends? Changes the limits of integration. For example, if I am taking here, suppose integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to x, integral 0 to x, say any function here f of xy dy dx. Okay, he given a function, friends, here. Now, what he says here, double integral with variable limits, the change of order of integration changes the limits. Okay, changes the limits means here, you write f of xy, okay, you first integrate with respect to x, friends. Okay, what is meaning here? You first integrate with respect to x and then y. That means you find x limit first and then y limits, friends, and then y limits. Okay, right. Then we get here the limits in terms of y here, friends. Limits in terms of y. Okay, right. While doing so, sometimes it is required to split up the region of integration. What he says? Region of integration, and given integral is expressed as the sum of number of double integrals with changed limits. Okay, first you draw a rough sketch to this one. Okay, rough go diagram draw చేయండి, రీజియన్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తారు. ఓకే, తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలండి, ఇక్కడ వెర్టికల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేశాను dy అయినప్పుడు, తర్వాత ఏ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేయాలండి, హారిజాంటల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేయాలి. ఓకేనండి, dy అంటేనేమో సపోజ్ సర్కిల్ అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇంకో dy అంటే వెర్టికల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ చేసినప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఈ రీజియన్ అనుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను, హారిజాంటల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. Okay, initially it is here dy means you draw a vertical strip, suppose this is the region. Okay, then change the order of integration, then you draw a horizontal strip, friends, horizontal strip. Okay, what is that? That is the meaning, friends. To fix up the new limits, okay, to fix up this new limits, advisable to draw a rough sketch. Okay, you draw the rough sketch of the region of integration. Okay, in which region you have to integrate, you draw what he says, draw a rough sketch, friends. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను, ఇక్కడ సర్కిల్లో ఈ ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ అనుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ముందు వెర్టికల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాను అంటే చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు హారిజాంటల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. ఓకే, హారిజాంటల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు అప్పుడు ఎక్స్ లిమిట్స్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి చూసుకుంటామండి. ఓకే, when I draw a horizontal strip, we see the limits here. That way he says that sketch of the region of integration. The change of order of integration quite often facilitates, what, friends, what he says? Facilitates. That means the integration becomes easy. Okay, the evaluation of double integrals. What he says? The evaluation of double integrals. That means what is the advantage of this change of order of integration is, okay, sometimes the integral directly we cannot evaluate, friends, but if I change the order, then we can easily evaluate the double integration. That is the main advantage. ఓకే అండి, ఇంకొకసారి చెప్తున్నానండి. డబుల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ వల్ల యూజ్ ఏంటంటే, డబుల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆర్డర్ చేంజ్ చేస్తే చాలా కేసులు ఏమవుతుందంటే డబుల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ మనం ఈజీగా ఎవాల్యుయేట్ చేయొచ్చు అండి. డబుల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ని ఈజీగా దట్ ఈస్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ అండి. అయితే అక్కడ ఎవాల్యుయేట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలండి, ముందు డివై డిఎక్స్ ఉంటే చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ రాసి తర్వాత డిఎక్స్ డివై రాయాలి. ఇది చేసినప్పుడు ఈ లిమిట్స్ ద్వారా రీజియన్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తామండి. సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ డివై ఉంది కాబట్టి డబుల్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ వెర్టికల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేశాను. ఆర్డర్ చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేశానంటే హారిజాంటల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేశాను. ఓకే, హారిజాంటల్ స్ట్రిప్ ఏ రీజియన్లో అయితే ఉందో అదే రీజియన్ కవర్ అయ్యేటట్టుగా చూసుకుంటానండి. ఓకేనా, రైట్. లెట్ us see a small example to understand this concept అండి. By change of order of integration, evaluate integral minus a to a, integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square, f of xy dx dy. See friends, this is f of xy. There is no function here. You just for understand purpose. What is the region? Okay, how to find the region? Okay, how to take the vertical strip or horizontal strip? Okay, how to change the limits అండి. ఇంకొకసారి అండి, ఈ లిమిట్స్ని ఏ విధంగా చేంజ్ చేయాలి, రీజియన్ ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి అనేది నేర్చుకుందాం అండి దీంట్లో. రైట్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ solution you write the given one friends. Given, okay, integral minus a to a, integral 0 to square root of a square minus y square f of xy. See friends, in terms of y, so you first write here dx dy. He given the proper order. So limits here. Okay, limits. So this is x is equal to 0. Okay, now here x is equal to square root of a square minus y square. Squaring on both sides here we get x square that is equal to a square minus y square. So we get here x square plus y square that is equal to a square. It represents a circle friends. It represents a circle. Now what are the y limits? Y is equal to minus a to y is equal to a. Okay, x is equal to 0. Here it represents a circle and y limits are minus a to a. Now I want to identify the region friends. I want to identify the region. Okay, region ni identify చేద్దాం. Let us see. జామెట్రికల్గా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి. అది తెలిస్తేనే ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. యూ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ జామెట్రికల్లీ. సో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ముందు యూ ఫస్ట్ వాచ్ ద ఫస్ట్ వీడియో ఆఫ్ ది మల్టిపుల్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాచ్ దట్ వీడియో దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ బికమ్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, లెట్ us see. Say this is x-axis friends, x-axis, and this is y-axis. Okay, now what he says, x is equal to 0. Where x is equal to 0 friends? Where x is equal to 0? On the x-axis, sorry, y-axis. The y-axis x value is equal to 0. Now it represents a circle. So draw a circle here. Okay, this is the circle friends. Now what is radius here? Radius is a. Okay, this is a, this is a, this is minus a, and this is minus a. Now where is y is equal to minus a to a? See here friends, y is equal to minus a to y is equal to a. So see friends, x is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0. Enter the y axis, x is equal to 0. Okay, other end is curve, that this curve. So we have to draw a vertical strip friends. What is our region first? What is our region here? First quadrant and fourth quadrant friends. First quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, here x is equal to 0. Enter the line in a curve on the, okay, this is the curve, and then y is equal to minus a. Here y is equal to minus a, and then here y is equal to a friends. Y is equal to a. Okay, now this is our region is first and fourth quadrant. Okay, please remember. So it is dy, sorry, dx here. So which strip here friends? Which strip? A strip draw cheyalandi kada. Very good, horizontal strip draw cheyali. So this is the horizontal strip. Okay, that means here x is equal to 0. Here friends, other end x is equal to square root of a square minus y square. Okay, one end x is equal to 0, other end is x is equal to square root of a square minus x square. Okay, now we move or slide the strip from y is equal to minus a to a, so it covers this region. Okay, now what he says here, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తున్నారండి వాడు, change the order of integration. Okay, change of order of integration. Okay, what it says here, change of order of integration. Now initially we are taking horizontal strip friends, now we are taking vertical strip. What friends? Vertical strip. So again I want to draw the same graph friends. So this is x axis, y axis. Okay, this is the curve, this is our region here. Okay, this is our region. So this time we draw a which strip friends? Which strip? Vertical strip friends, because when we change the order here, when we change the order, that means here double integral f of x y, change order means you write first dy and into dx. Okay, change the order means you first write dy and then dx friends. Whenever we write dy, we take friends vertical strip. So this is the vertical strip friends, this is the vertical strip. See friends, here when I draw a vertical strip here, both end touches here curve friends, curve. So here I can write it as here I want to write here friends, y square that is equal to a square minus x square. So y is equal to plus or minus root of a square minus x square. Okay, now what is y limits here friends? What is y limits here? Minus square root of a square minus x square. Here friends, y is equal to square root of a square minus x square. Now you move the strip from here friends, here. Okay, here up to the point A, So first we get here y limits, and then here on the y axis, what is x value? X is equal to 0. So at that point here x is equal to a. So limits here, y minus a square root of a square minus x square to plus square root of a square minus x square. What is x limits friends? That is x limits 0 to a. Okay, what is x limits here? 0 to a. Now this can be written as friends, double integral f of xy dy dx, that is equal to, okay, double integral here 0 to a, here friends minus square root of a square minus x square to square root of plus a square plus x square f of xy dy dx. Okay, in this way we have changed the order of integration. Okay, once again friends, here we have dy. So we draw a horizontal strip here, and from the limits we identify the region. Okay, ఈ లిమిట్స్ నుంచి రీజియన్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తామండి, ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. దేర్ బై వి డ్రా ఏ వెర్టికల్ స్ట్రిప్ హియర్. ఓకే, వెర్టికల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేయండి. డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలండి, ఇక్కడ ఏ రీజియన్ అయితే కవర్ అయిందో సేమ్ రీజియన్ కవర్ అవ్వాలి. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Okay, please remember here in first here which region covers in horizontally. Whenever you draw a vertical strip, then also the same region will cover. Okay అండి, హారిజాంటల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు ఏ రీజియన్ అయితే కవర్ అయిందో వెర్టికల్ స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు అదే రీజియన్ కవర్ అవ్వాలి. అదేవిధంగా లిమిట్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. చూడండి, ఇంతకుముందు y లిమిట్స్ ఏమన్నా -8 ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు y లిమిట్స్ ఏమవుతుందండి చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ a² మైనస్ x² టు ప్లస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ a² ప్లస్ x². ఇక్కడ స్ట్రిప్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను. వాట్ ఈస్ వై నుంచి, ఎందుకంటే వై నుంచి మూవ్ చేస్తున్నానండి, అవర్ రీజన్ ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. హియర్ ద లిమిట్ ఈజ్ y axis ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో y axis x is equal to 0. సో x is equal to 0 ఏ పాయింట్ వరకు మూవ్ చేయాలండి, ఈ పాయింట్ వరకు x is equal to a. ఓకే, in this way we change the order of integration friends. Now let us see one problem on change of order of integration. By change of order of integration, evaluate integral 0 to a integral x to a x square plus y square dy dx. See friends, here 18, 15 and 10. So 3 years friends. This is previous question and important sum. Okay, 3 years వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ సమ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, రైట్, లెట్ us see the solution. Given integral 0 to a integral x to a x square plus y square. See friends, here in terms of x, so that is the proper order. So dy dx. I want to draw a rough sketch friends. So geometrical రాద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. So y is equal, what is lower limit here, y is equal to x. Okay, y is equal to a. Okay, y is equal to x, y is equal to a. What are the x limits here, x is equal to 0, x is equal to a. సో దీనికి నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను అంటే జామెట్రికల్ కర్వ్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, ఐ వాంట్ టు డ్రా ద కర్వ్స్ హియర్. సో యూ ఫస్ట్ డ్రా ఏ x axis. Okay, and this is y axis. Okay, x axis, y axis. First I want to draw y is equal to x friends. So draw the line. So this is y is equal to x line, and then y is equal to a. So draw the line here. This is y is equal to a. Okay, and then x is equal to 0 friends. Where x is equal to 0? Already learned in previous case, on the y axis. So this is x is equal to 0, and then x is equal to a. See friends, this is y is equal to x, this is y is equal to n. Where we draw here? Here friends, the line goes through here. So this is the line of x is equal to a. Now here we integrate here dy friends. So you draw a vertical strip. Now we have two regions friends. Which is the suitable region? See, lower limit is y is equal to x. So this is upper limit y is equal to x. So the first region, this region friends, this is our region. Okay, so first draw a vertical strip here as given in the problem. Our problem ఇచ్చినట్టు ముందు vertical strip draw చేసాను. This is the vertical strip friends. Okay, vertical strip draw చేసాను. So ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? Now what we have to do here, change the order of integration. Change of order of integration. Okay, change of order of integration. What is how to change here? Double integral x square plus y square. Now you write dx dy friends. Okay, dx dy. First you write dx and then dy, because previously we have dy. So that you write here dx dy. Okay, now first I want to find dx friends. Again see geometrically. Now previously we draw here vertical strips. Now this time you draw a horizontal strip friends. Horizontal strip. Okay, horizontal strip draw చేసి సేమ్ రీజన్ కవర్ అవుతూ x లిమిట్స్ అండ్ y లిమిట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలండి. Let us see. So this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, same line, y is equal to x, and then y is equal to a. This is y is equal to x is equal to 0, and this is x is equal to a. This line is x is equal to a. Now our region is this one friends. Okay, our region is this one. Now previously draw a vertical strip. Now you draw a because horizontal strip, because we integrating first with respect to x friends. So draw a horizontal strip. Now see friends here. X is equal to 0 here. Okay. Now what is x here on the curve? Not y is equal to x. So it can be written as x is equal to y, x is equal to y. Okay, these are the x limits. What are the x limits? X is equal to 0, x is equal to y. Now here you slide strip from here, friends. So here y is equal to 0 to up to y is equal to a, y is equal to a. So limits here, limits first x is equal to 0, x is equal to y, y is equal to 0, y is equal to a, y is equal to a. Okay, after changing the order, we get these limits, friends. Okay, some people think that here we just change order means you write x a and 0 to n. It is not correct, friends. Okay, you first identify the region, okay, and then dy means you draw a vertical strip, change the order, then you draw a dx here, dx means draw a horizontal strip, the strip should be cover same region. Okay, thereby we get the limits, friends, there we get the limits. Now write down, friends, double integral x square plus y square dx dy, and double integral x square plus y square dx dy, that is equal to integral, what are the limits here? Y limits 0 to a, 0 to y, 0 to a, 0 to y, x square plus y square dx dy, that is equal to integral 0 to a, integral of x square is x cube by 3, plus with respect to x, y is constant, so y square into x between limits 0 to y into dy, that is equal to integral 0 to a, substitute upper limit here we get y cube by 3 plus here substitute y here, then we get y cube, substitute lower limit, all these values are 0, so into dy, that is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1, so we get here 1 plus 3, 4 by 3, so we get here integral 0 to a 4 by 3 y cube into dy, that is equal to 4 by 3 into integral of y cube is y power 4 by 4 between limits 0 to a. So 4 cancel, that is equal, we get here a power 4 by 3, See, friends, here how can we evaluate this integration easily? Okay, that is the advantage of double integration. Okay, once again, friends, what it says, change of order of integration. Okay, first the limits are, I observe here the limits are in terms of x, and I observe the limits in terms of x alone. So this is the proper order, dy dx, and then I write the limits here, y is equal to x and y is equal to a, x is equal to 0, x is equal to a. Now I draw the graph, friends, here. So this x axis, y is equal to x, y is equal to a, okay, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. So our region is we have two regions here. Our region is this one, friends, because y is equal to x, lower limit. So here y is equal to x here. Okay, here y is equal to x, and here, friends, y is equal to a. See, friends, y is equal to x and y is equal to a. Now you slide this strip from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a at this point. Okay, this is our region. Now change the order of integration. That means you write dx dy. ఓకే, నేను రాసినప్పుడు dx dy ఆయన రాసిన తర్వాత చాలామంది x y ఇంటిగ్రల్ x to a ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to a రాస్తున్నారు. దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ అండి. సో యూ డ్రా ఏ horizontal strip because we integrate with respect to x. So horizontal strip. The same region will cover this strip also. Okay. Here x is equal to 0, x is equal to y, and y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a, friends. Y is equal to a. I simply substitute limits here. Okay. First I integrate with respect to x, then we get this value, and then with respect to y, I substitute lower and upper limit here, then we get this value. Okay. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt in this problem or in this concept, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.